afterglow, a little cooler with the cloud cover moving across the area. We are watching storms out to the west of us from Woodward to Elk City down towards Plainview, Texas. Those are lifting to the north. Also, we have a lot of moisture coming in from the Gulf of Mexico with the tropical disturbance down the Gulf. That's pumping moisture in our direction. And as this humid weather continues to move to the north, we're going to see some impulses from a storm system out west interact with this humid air, and that will create some shower and thunderstorm chances, especially as we head towards midweek and then potentially as we head towards Saturday. Rainfall forecast for this week, we're looking at the possibility about a ½ inch to as much as an inch across the region. So there is ample opportunity for rain and storms across the area, which will help keep our temperatures down this week, which is definitely some good news compared to where we've been over the past week or two. Right now, it's hot and it's humid, 91 degrees. South winds, though, breezy, about 20 miles per hour, keeping our steady stream of moisture running into the area. The sunset getting later and later each and every day at 8:44 this evening. If you're going to the pool tomorrow, expect a few clouds, heat index values around 100. I am keeping it dry for tomorrow. We'll see south winds breezy again, 10 to 20 miles per hour, warm afternoon and a humid afternoon as well. Great day to be into the pool. Bartlesville, 7 a.m. tomorrow morning, 74 degrees. Pryor coming in at 73. Northwest Arkansas in the lower 70s. We're going to see south winds, and we see with our future track radar and satellite showing the clouds that continue to roll in here to northeast Oklahoma. Moisture is going to continue to pump into the area as well, and that's going to help set up the chance for showers and storms as we head towards Wednesday. But tomorrow, dry and humid, though. 89 degrees in Tulsa, Muskogee 88, and McAllister 88 degrees with south winds again about 10 to 20 miles per hour. We jump ahead to the weekend. I know we're already trying to make plans. We do have a chance for storms on Saturday, so that's something we'll be watching very closely. That should help keep temperatures down into the lower 90s. But the next couple of days, and chances for storms increase. 60% chance for storms on your Wednesday. I am being positive, keeping Thursday dry, still warm and humid, upper 80s. Partly cloudy skies on Friday, slight chance for afternoon storms. Another chance for storms on Saturday, slight chance on Sunday. And then once we do get rid of the rain chances, those temperatures are going to jump back up and it's going to feel really steamy. So I say enjoy the break while we have it. Good chance rain coming in on Wednesday.
Those 80s look really good.
And that's normal for this time of year.
Yeah. Oh, love it. Well, the 2018 Iowa Awards are underway, and Caden has it all for us.